Today is a cozy day. I'm home alone and I just had my breakfast. Basically, I was doom scrolling, watching Barki videos. I'm already down 3-4 hours. I'm on the third video. So I wanted to read a book. I have The Ex Vow. So what I know about the book is they were together, then they broke up, and they meet again in their friend's wedding, and that's how they like second chance romance. I want to have fun more. I also want to record my bag video. I have like, and I want to dress cute. I'm done showering. Let's do skincare. Toner, serum, and sunscreen. I'm doing without my brush. Wow! So basically, I have two options. I wanted to look cute. This top and this simple. At home look. This has inbuilt brush. This good. It's cute, but I wore it because picture wala is too loose. I'll show you with the skirt also. I'm not used to showing my tummy. Now I will randomly tell you how to make a makeshift stick-on bra. Pay attention.
Soy arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena.
Very niche thing I will tell you. So I'm watching Barki, that is Bonnie and Arki. Kashyap name is Barki, and like they started writing songs about each other. Is it a new way of romancing, or maybe we always use songs for expressing ourselves? I was supposed to start a book, but this is same tea. And watching TV, and suddenly the light goes off, and coincidentally my phone had only like 13% battery. I did not read any books. I watched YouTube the whole time. So but I just started The Ex Vow. It's going good. I'm liking it. I'm just 2% in. Like I'll read some tonight. Hopefully by tomorrow it will be done. I'm done reading Ex Vow and I really like it. Okay, it is a second chance romance. Obviously, I'm going to love it. But I really cried. Maybe I was alone. That's why I cried. But either way, the characters were real. They had conversation about everything. They gave each other space. It was very cute. Biggest problem I have with romance these days is if they're doing second chance romance, then they don't talk or deal with the problems the first time why they broke up. In this, they actually, whatever the problem was, we dealt with it, and the person was different the second time they met and rekindled their love. So I was feeling lovey-dovey, cozy. So I'm giving it 5 out of 5. I just finished season 7 of Virgin River. I like this small town, sweet romance. Everything goes bad, then everything goes right. People learn from their mistake. They talk about mental health, male emotions. And I will give around 4 out of 5.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो चेंज करवाने पड़ेंगे। अरे काले काले तो बढ़िया। सर फोटो में फोटो भेजूंगा।
Look what I'm wearing. Back for an update. The last video you saw, after that I forgot and I read so many books, oh my god. And I also finished Pit. It's a TV show about emergency department. So it gives me all flashbacks because I also go a lot to emergency department for my ophthalm consult. We have flashbacks, but I like the fast pace and it is very close to what really happens. Let's talk about books. I read No Place Like Home by Julia Meadows. It's a small town romance in which Fable. She lives in a small town and she's kind of stuck and she doesn't find what she wants to do. We have Theo who is working in the veterinarian clinic and he wants to buy it, but he doesn't have a good reputation because he had a history of running away from the town and then he came back, so no one is like, maybe if we give him, he might run away again. So the reliability is not there. So both of them have to fake date. She wants help with her because she's also trying to construct her grandfather's house, in which she will fake date him so that he has a good reputation and he will help her with the construction of the house. It was a very cute, small town, cozy romance. I really liked it. I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. The next book, Children of Strife by A.D.M. Tchaikovsky. It is the 5th book in the series. The more we progressed in the series, I did not understand much of the science. I really like science in my science fiction, but this was little above my pay grade, I guess. And the whole book was divided into 3 parts, like 3 generations, let's talk about. So based in the same planet, so it keeps on cutting between first generation, second generation and third and vice versa. It was a good way of storytelling, but I didn't find the environment as impressive as the first book or the second book. I won't say it's a fast pace because this book I DNF. For the first time I read, I couldn't what is going on. Very hard, I had to convince myself that you have to finish it. It is good, it's good. At the end, the books are good. It's not bad, but you have to put in effort to understand it properly. And I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. Next book is Twisted Lies by Anna Hong. 4th book in the Twisted series. It's about Kristen and Stella. I was not impressed with the story. I felt that he was little stalkerish and he didn't talk much. The broody and grumpiness boyfriends, I usually do not like those kind of books. So I gave it around 4.5. I don't even remember what happened much in the book. Then I read Starship by Cat Sebastian. It is a romance. The main characters are Charlie and Simon. They both are actors in a long-running sci-fi TV show. So Simon does not like Charlie that much because of his behavior of being late. He doesn't have a good reputation, but everyone loved Charlie, and Simon does not like that because he feels like he's very outrageous. But it's been a while since I read any queer romance, and this one really hits it. 4 out of 5. Next I read was The Night We Met by Abby Jimenez. This is the second book in Say You Remember Me series. I have not read the first book. You can get into the second book easily. No, Marissa and Chris. Fast-paced, engaging and fun. The love story itself was very sweet and kind. The cute things Chris used to do for her. Abby Jimenez, a hit or miss for me. This one was a hit. I gave 5 out of 5 stars. Book I read was Beekeeper by A.D.M. Tchaikovsky. This is the 3rd book in Dog of War series. Again, this is another book which I took out from my DNF pile. This year I have decided I will try to finish all my incomplete books. Amazing, maybe I just read my audiobook and sleep and then I forget what is happening and then it's like, fine, I will just read another book. Dog of War brings out a interesting question of whether we create something which can think independently of us and can we give us so much freedom and rights that a human being has. Goes with the same question, what's happening in the world about we are not ready to give freedom on the basis of color, religion, caste. It also deals with the similar themes in terms of sci-fi. Okay, all the check boxes which I made up at the starting of the video, I have done it. One of them I remember was to make my video for the second bag, which I did, which is on my Instagram if you want to see. And hopefully I make this video more. Bye bye.